Hi, welcome to this video. We have here a tool, a new tool, version 114. And we can, at this point in time, install all our desktops with it. So 15 desktops that you can just select, install, and if there's a problem, reinstall or even cache. Clear the cache first and then reinstall to make sure that it's working, right? It's functioning. When I do Super X, I'm gonna log out. And then we see this screen here. We have choices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 desktops. So 15 desktops. So maybe you say, this looks a little bit different. That's strange. Okay. So awesome. Let's go for the tiling window managers to see, because there was an issue with the tiling window managers and that was not possible to log out anymore. And I have a surprise later on. There was always the possibility to log out, wasn't there? Yes, it always worked. So why would it not work? This is Helpsleuth WM, Super X, log out. They all work. The thing is, and maybe you're saying already he's gone crazy, and maybe that's true as well, but first of all, it's weekend, and second of all, this looks super the same as ArcoLinux. And guys, here's a surprise. It's not. We started with a Salient OS of Plasma. In this case, I've done another video with XFCE, and I've changed the code. So that Super X logout is also working on Salient OS. Qtile, and another one. Xmonad is another tiling window manager. This is code that's behind this OB logout thing. This here is now, well, a little script that I adapted so that it's gonna work as well in here. So that's great, right? So we have more flexibility. You go ahead and give me some images with other ArcoLinux distros. It does not have to be Salient. It can be so many out there. I've seen images from Manjaro. There is KOS. What is there? There's so many. Let's maybe give you an idea. Have a look. Control-Alt-F is working. So Arch-based distros with this application that we have now created, and that's downloadable on ArcoLinux info. I would like to open up your mind. Don't think in boxes. At least think at this point in time in one box. ArcoLinux. If it's an ArcoLinux based installation, 74 people have already downloaded this app, right? And it's very simple. You download it, sudo pacman -u. I should put it in here, and then so download first, and then sudo pacman -U, and then the file, the package, and then you go through 1, 2, 3. Well, it depends. I need to do 2 first because I need to fix the key server before I can do 1. But normally you do 1 and then 3 and then 4 and then 5. So 2 is actually a first fix. But I have heard others have the same problem getting keys in from key servers. This will help. So this is a application to widen your look and take a look at all the ArcoLinux distros. And if you're missing your bash RC, the update, the up all, and any other of our conkeys, for example, then you take a look and install those. I think this might be a good one. Let's see. ArcoLinux, indeed. Those are still active, they say. You be the judge of that. I'm not going to install all of these guys. But Manjaro is active, KOS is active, EndeavourOS is new, is active. Chakra is there. Archman, ArchLabs, and ArcoLinux. Those are the ones I would say, if you have a what if, I want to try this out, will I be able to install ArcoLinux packages, Azure Cs, themes, conkeys, whatever. We have 128 or so of these packages. Let's have a look. So I am on Salient OS. It's a bit strange in the beginning, of course. We are on Salient OS and we have a lot of packages of ArcoLinux here, but it's based on Arch. So it's a big pool of Lego blocks and we provide new Lego blocks. And that's it, basically. And if you want to have more Lego blocks, I don't know, did I put it in here? 1, 2, okay, so no. The tweak tool, I'm gonna launch Ctrl-Alt-E, so all the keyboard shortcuts are working. So I'm not lost on Salient OS in my tiling window manager. I thought it was blocked. So that's a check, just to be safe. There can be only one. What was I going to do? Ah yeah, so you can make it even more playtime. And that is that we have the ArcoLinux elements, but you can also add Hefter's repo and Bobo's repo, which is providing you with a huge amount of Lego boxes. And you be the judge of what's best and all that. It's freedom of choice. That's Linux all about. So this is Hefter's repo. You ask him on Discord what it all is, and this is from, always forget the name, well, that's called Bobo repo, and you try those out. Those are different kind of configurations and the look will be totally different. You can see the look, by the way, on the ArcoLinux forum, and on Discord there's a separate channel for the guys who make spin-offs, because basically we are working on ArcoLinux, we are using Calamares, and we choose package X, and the other one chooses package Y, and the result will be different. And it's great that we have this diversity. With this tool you'll get even more diversity, and that's the fun, of course, to get a distro that you like. That's basically the point, right? That you like every aspect of it, and it's based on ArcoLinux. All right, have fun.